Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Chandni and today I'm going to create a super affordable makeup look for Pohela Boishakh, that's Bengali New Year, which is within few days. So without any further ado, let's begin. First, for moisturizing my oily skin, I'm using Aloevera gel. It's very soothing and cooling for the skin. Then using a lip balm from Sugar Cosmetics called Moito to prep my lips as well. For priming my skin, I'm using a Lakme Absolute Blur Perfect Primer on the areas which becomes oily. That's my T-zone. For my dark circles and pigmentations, I'm using a peach color corrector from Sugar Cosmetics, which is their peach precedent, and applying with fingers a very little amount, and then lightly dusting a loose powder from K Beauty to set it so that it doesn't mix with other products after this. Then, mixing two foundations to match my skin, I'm dotting this all over my face and neck. Then using a damp beauty blender to apply. Brush can pick up the color corrector and make the skin look orangish. Do not forget the neck and ears. For my under eyes and to spot correct, I took a concealer from Lakme Absolute in shade Honey and blending with my fingers, and also to give a clean look to my eyelids. Then I took a tissue paper to soak up any excess product. To set wherever I used concealer, I took a powder puff and am pressing the loose powder which is only in my T-zone. After brushing my eyebrows, I am using an eyebrow pencil from Miss Clear and just outlining my eyebrows. Then brushing to spread the product. That's a great way for doing eyebrow for people who naturally tend to have fuller eyebrows, especially if you have unibrows like me. Then filling the sparse areas and keeping the unibrow areas empty. For my eyeshadow, I am using Makeup Revolution Patricia Bright Palette Rich in Life, and for transition in my crease area, I am using this light peach shade. And then taking this bit darker orange shade, first depositing in my outer V area, then into my crease. It will darken the crease area further. Then using this coppery shimmer in the empty part with my fingers. This kind of shades work best with fingers only. It will pick the maximum product. Then without taking any product on the previous blending brush and swiping on my crease to blend everything together for a seamless look. For my lower lash area, I am using the same color combination, first orange then the light peach with a flat shader brush. And to tightline, using a brown eyeliner from Lakme Eyeconic and blending again. I used the setting spray to wet my angular liner brush, then taking the brown eyeshadow and making a small line, not creating any wing. I am using a matte white eyeshadow to highlight my brow bone and inner corners. Then after curling my lashes, I am using my favorite Myglamm Twisted Mascara in my upper and lower lashes. That will look gorgeous by itself, but if you want to glam up a little bit, you can use falsies like I used. A false lash from Swiss Beauty. For contouring, always follow the direction starting from the highest point of ear and ending up to the corner of eye. This brings back dimensions into the face. Here I am using a contour from Cuffs and Lashes called Tea Cake. And also in the area below the chin and hairline so that it looks seamless. I also contoured my nose using the same contour shade. For blush, I am using a blush palette from Cuffs and Lashes again and applying on the highest part of my cheeks for a snatched look. The beauty blender will soak up the extra blush if you think you have applied little more in my chin area to shorten my face and also the bridge of the nose. For highlighting, I am using Cuffs and Lashes cupcake highlighter called Frumptious and applying on the highest part of my face. In chin area, always remember, if you are highlighting, do this in the middle part. For my nose, I generally highlight the bridge of the nose and stop in the middle. I do not prefer to spotlight on the tip of my nose, and also highlighting my cupid's bow. For lipstick, I am using a liquid lipstick from Sugar Cosmetics today called Brazen Raisin. It's a warm toned burgundy shade. Then setting my face with the setting spray from L'Oreal Infallible. Now I'm ready with a low bun and some roses in it and some accessories to complement the look, and a beautiful saree of my mom and a small bindi. And that's the look. If you like it, please consider to subscribe and join the family.